everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Groupon app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Groupon and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.